Hey, what's going on? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC, hitting you guys with another video today. Today we're going to be going out to Platinum Hobbies. We're going to be picking up a new Vanquish. So come take a ride with me. Let's check out Platinum Hobbies and let's see what we got from Vanquish. Let's go. All right, guys, we just pulled up to Platinum Hobbies. Let's check out and see what they got for us. All right, let's see what they got, guys. This is the biggest mini track or mini Z track on Long Island. So definitely come and check out Platinum Hobbies for the mini Z track. So today we're going to be talking about the brand new Vanquish that actually dropped last year. I didn't get the chance to grab it last year when it did pop up. I didn't even know it came out last year, to be honest. It must have came out around November, December, I think. And I didn't know anything about it. I bought the other Vanquish that they had, the portal axle, the green one that they just dropped, but I didn't know about this one. All right, I figured I'd share this one with you. It's actually been on the internet. People have been talking about if it's gonna come back out, if it's gonna drop again, and yes, it has dropped again. It's on Amain Hobbies. So if you haven't either purchased it or back ordered it yet, I would do so as soon as possible, guys. If anything, worst case scenario, I believe I did see it back ordered. So if anything, just hit the back order button and wait for it to come in. It's definitely worth it, guys. Years ago, when the Falcon came out, I told guys that Falcon is a limited edition Vanquish. Sure enough, that's exactly what it was. So as soon as it got taken off of the roster, basically, oh my gosh, where's the Falcon portal axle Phoenix? It's gone, guys. It was a limited edition. You know, my buddies also, really, it's a limited edition? Yeah. One of my other buddies, he drives his all the time, and honestly, it performs great. Great. Welcome to my channel. Let's get this unboxing done. Let's go. All right, guys, so we have the VS4-10 Phoenix Portal Toyo Tire edition. This is an RTR. So it comes with your remote, comes with the batteries sometimes. Yeah, my attire is a little bit different than usual. You know, I usually love my little red and black hat and anything that, of course, goes with that. But today, I feel like I had to rock the blue for the Toyo Tire edition. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so before I open this box up, let me show you guys exactly how the box comes and how it looks. And I'll show you guys what the truck comes with. I believe this truck is similar to the other RTR that just came out, which is the green one. All right, guys, let's get this thing open and see what it looks like. Woo! Oh no. Oh no. Yo, this thing is crazy, guys. Yo, the color is crazy. All right, now I can take out my green one now. I'll actually do some trailing and rock crawling with the green one because I found this thing right here is gonna replace that one on the Shelf Queen spot. Shelf Queen status, the green one has been replaced. Guys, all right, they give us that beautiful manual with the Toyo Tire truck edition. They do give us batteries for the remote and looks like some extra bits and pieces. I don't know about you, but whenever I get something really, really nice like this, I feel like a kid back in the day when I walked in Toys R Us and I knew I was coming home with something that day. If I knew I was coming home with something that day, I felt really good. Obviously, every time you go to Toys R Us when you were a kid, you didn't get everything and anything, at least not me. But when I did know I was gonna get something that day from Toys R Us, I'd be on cloud 9, you know, maybe 10. All right, so my boy Steve from Platinum Hobbies, he was Toys R Us today. All right, I knew I was coming home with something really nice and I felt really good about it. All right, so don't forget to check out Steve, Platinum Hobbies. He also sells Vanquish. So what I'm trying to do, guys, is show you guys different hobby stores in Long Island and show you guys that I support our local hobby shops. You know, hopefully you guys do too. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying to not order things through Amain or Horizon Hobby or wherever you get it from, but obviously if you can, support your local hobby shop, guys. Out here in Long Island, we have Willis Hobbies, we have Bayshore Hobbies, and we also have Platinum Hobbies. I believe we have a few other hobby stores also in the area, but those are the three main hobby stores that I go to usually. So hit me down in the comments if you know of any other really good hobby stores out here on Long Island. All right. Ozzy, he left, so he's not on the island no more. All right, so Island Hobby Nut is not on the island anymore. He's out in Queens, but he's still close enough to us. So don't forget to check out Island Hobby Nut also. Back to the Vanquish. All right, guys, so this beautiful RTR. Guys, look at this thing. Look at this beautiful vehicle. They did a beautiful job on this truck, guys. I am not taking this truck out. Look at the tires, guys. You know what? I just happened to order tires the other day for my VS4-10 Pro, my Classic Pro. And I was looking for tires, something similar to this. That was a 4.65. And these tires would have been great. Great, guys. They feel great. They look great. You know, look how aggressive it is on the sides, you know? Very nice. It's really nice being that we can just pull the truck out the box, put some batteries in it, and drive it. So it's very convenient for that, you know, very convenient. Let me show you guys the remote also. All right, guys, so let me show you guys how to take this apart. All right, you push this up, all right, and just push forward, and it pulls right apart, okay? Same thing, you don't have to push this with your finger now. Now you're just applying a little bit of pressure to that tab, so at least it lines up, and that's it. She's good to go. She locks right back in. This remote, great RTR remote, honestly. It's a 4-channel remote, so say if you want to run a dig feature, or say if you want to run a winch, you can actually control all of that by this one remote. You don't have to change your remote, you don't have to change your receiver, none of that. So the convenience of having this remote in this truck is great. Sorry guys, I'm not peeling this off. I'm literally gonna put this in my garage, put a cover over it, and it's gonna stay a shelf queen, guys. But I will show you the inside of it. I love the way they put the rear fenders on, and with the taillights and everything else. So where I was mentioning the RTRs, honestly, building these Vanquish trucks, you see the quality behind them, you know, the quality that's put into them. So I appreciate both. I appreciate building the kits, and I appreciate the RTRs because I see what's the R&D that was put into it, you know. So great job on these trucks. Doesn't matter which one you get. If you don't get the Toyo Tire one, if you just get the regular green one, still a great truck, guys. All right, so you have these two body clips in the rear that you can remove, and it lets the body swivel forward so you can access your battery and of course your electronics. This truck really looks amazing, guys. It does come with their standard 4-link in the rear. These are F10 axles for the rear and for the front. They give us a centered rear axle. They give us an offset axle in the front. They give us the 3-link suspension in the front. So they give us a chassis mounted steering servo. So that's a CMS. So usually they would give us a like on your VRD stance and your VRD carbon, most guys would run the steering servo on axle, the SOA. But to make it look more scaled, they went with the chassis mounted steering servo, which is fine. It would have been great if they would have put interior in this truck also. They did it with the Falcon Edition, which honestly, I unboxed it. I had it sitting in my garage for years. For years, guys. Never really looked at it, to be honest. I just knew I had it. But one day I'm sitting here doing a video showing you guys, I believe I was doing a comparison video with the green truck that just came out, the portal axle one. And honestly, I'm sitting there looking inside the truck and I'm like, the Falcon Edition has interior? I didn't know. I literally bought it brand new, actually from Platinum Hobbies, actually years ago when it first dropped. And I never realized it had interior. Never realized it. But it would be really cool. It would be super cool to see this truck with interior. So if anything, I'm gonna try to see if I could source out interior for this truck. I love the details on the truck. Got your door handles and stuff like that, which is cool. Got your window stickers all the way around. Tinted windows. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Beautiful looking truck. And you can feel the weight. The weight of this truck is pretty decent. And I'm only saying that because it's got the brass tubes in the front axle. Like you can actually feel between the brass tubes in the front and the metal portal covers, it actually gives it a decent amount of weight in the front, guys. I'm surprised they didn't give that to us in the kit. You know, in that classic Pro kit, why didn't we get the brass tubes? That would have been really cool. The brass tubes and the metal outside portal covers. That would have been really cool, guys. That would have been a nice addition to the kit. Those brass tubes and the outer portal covers. I figured I'd do this unboxing with you guys and share this new vehicle with you guys. Don't forget to check out Amain Hobbies, guys. If you check out Vanquish, it's already sold out. It's been sold out. I ordered this truck last month, guys, and I've been literally waiting for this truck for almost a month. As soon as I ordered it through my local hobby shop, it went straight to back order. I'm like, what? And my buddy's like, Rock, he goes, don't worry about it, man. It's definitely coming. You got it. It's yours already, you know? So I'm like, oh, all right. All right. As long as I can get it, man, you know, as long as I can get it. So he got it for me. Thank you very much again to Platinum Hobbies, to Willis Hobbies, to Bayshore Hobbies, for always taking care of me, guys, and taking care of my friends and everything else. So we all greatly appreciate it. You know, you guys keep the RC hobby alive, obviously, by staying and selling to us, of course. So thank you very much, guys. Hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you guys have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Rock that out.